Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NWBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where that red line up there is coming from. But after a very, very nice move, the bears seem to be quickly taking control, and the chart's on very thin ice. In fact, some would probably argue that the ice has already been broken. So, and it can really go either way. But as far as all this ice, being broken, that's all revolving around this pink line right here, which is the 200 period simple moving average. Very famous. In fact, if you just have even surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period simple moving average, and you know that whenever the price is above it, that implies that the overall uptrend is in the bull's favor. However, today, the price broke below it and then ultimately closed quite a bit of ways below it. Now, it's not like the price absolutely crashed through and the price is, now all the way down there. It's still within the vicinity of it, up here in this range. So I'm going to say it's a full-blown breakdown. However, it's time for the bulls to step up. No way to slice it, because the price is not only below it, it's, not like it just barely closed below it. It did close a decent size amount below it here. So no doubt about it. Bulls need to step up because any sort of further separation to the downside just makes the case that the chart is reversing stronger and stronger. Some people could say, no, it's still just a pullback. Granted, a deep pullback, still a pullback. Some people will be saying, no, this is a reversal. In my opinion, I'm still going to call it a deep pullback, but any more separation to the downside at that point, it's a full-blown reversal, and the bears are back in control because, the further it gets below that pink line, the closer and closer the price gets to the range down here where everything started. And obviously, truly strong moves don't go back to where they started, right? They make progress forward as time goes by. So, if the price ever gets down around, this area of the chart here, well, then that's where it's putting it right back to the starting range. So we'll see what happens. Not quite down there, which is why I'm not going to call it a full-blown reversal, but the further it separates from that pink line, that's just the more and more evidence that it is indeed a reversal. So we'll see what happens with it, but it is time for the bulls to step up next week if they have any sort of power left. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.